Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be applying for the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. Why? Well, I will tell you in this video. Let's get started. American Express has one of the most valuable point system in the whole credit card game. Membership reward points or MR points can be a useful resources while planning to travel for free. As you may know, I currently own the Amex Platinum card, and with that I have gathered more than 120 MR points. But this card has the annual fee of $695, which is a significant amount for me. The reason why I'm telling you this is because it has been almost a year since I have gotten this credit card, and it's almost time for me to pay for that annual fee. And to be honest, I don't know if I'm planning to keep this card for another year. But why does it matter, you might ask? Well, if I decided to cancel this platinum card, all the MR points I have collected will be gone. In order to avoid that, I need at least one active membership reward earning credit card, and that's where the Blue Business Plus card comes in. This card has no annual fee and earns 2% on everything. This is a very good catch-all card with no hassle. That's mainly why I wanted to get this credit card now. But this is a business credit card. Don't you need a business to get this card? Well, not necessarily. If you are an independent contractor, like let's say driving for Uber or delivering for DoorDash, that counts as a business. Or if you sell items on eBay, that counts as a business as well. Even my teeny tiny YouTube channel, which makes no money, can be counted as a business. That's why I'm going to be applying for this credit card. With all that being said, you might still ask, but why Blue Business Plus specifically, and why not other Amex credit cards? There are plenty of other credit cards out there. Well, that might be true. Let me tell you 3 specific reasons as to why I went with this card instead of the others. First, it has to earn membership reward points. After all, points preservation is one of my main goal here, so that eliminates so many credit cards right off the bat. Some of the examples are cashback, hotels, and airline credit cards because they don't earn Amex points. Second, no annual fees. That eliminates some more credit cards like Amex Gold and Amex Green. Lastly, I wanted a simple credit card with good reward potential. And in Amex's portfolio, there are only 2 viable credit cards that has no annual fee and earn MR points. So I narrowed it down to 2 credit cards. The first one is the personal credit card, which is Amex Everyday credit card. And let me tell you, this card is significantly worse than Blue Business Plus credit card. First of all, it only earns 2% on groceries, while the other card earns 2% on literally everything. That's it. That right there makes the Blue Business Plus significantly better than Amex Everyday card. There is a potential to earn 20% extra points if you use this card 20 times or more, but I'm not gonna go through that hassle to earn just 20% more when I'm getting 2% on literally everything. With Blue Business Plus, I would have a good catch-all credit card. Whenever I'm going to purchase something that does not get me more than 2%, I'm simply gonna use this credit card. It's very simple and it's exactly what I'm looking for right now. Okay, without further ado, let's apply for this thing. Okay, at the time of me applying for this credit card, I have 680 TransUnion score and 692 Equifax score, according to Credit Karma. So hopefully I'll get approved. Okay, so here we are at the landing page. So at the time of me applying, there is a 15,000 membership reward points welcome offer. So if you calculate that as 1 cent per point, that's $150 after you spend $3,000 in eligible purchases, which is not bad. It's definitely not what I'm applying for, but it's good cherry on top for sure. Like I mentioned before, this card also has no annual fee, and currently there is a 0% introductory APR for 12 months. Okay, let's click on apply. There you go. Put in your email address here. For legal business name, you can just put your name here. Let me just put my name. You can just put your full name. Company doesn't have DBA. You can put your address here, phone number here. For the industry type, I'm gonna put others. For company structure, put sole. Business year less than a year. Number of employee, put 1. Annual revenue, I don't think 0 will work. Let me see. It doesn't work. You have to put 4 digits. So $1,000. Estimated monthly spending. You can leave this blank or put 0. Owner, first name, last name. Sure. Put your address here again. Social security number, date of birth, total annual income. Just put whatever your income is, and then business. Since the address is the same, it doesn't matter whether you choose business or home. So just for now, just leave it business. And after all that, hit the submit button. Let me fill this out real quick and I'll be right back. And there you go. Just like that, I was approved. Thank God. Sorry I wasn't able to record my live reaction. I accidentally hit submit, and by the time I started recording, I was already approved. But there you go. I was approved. Now all I have to do is wait a couple days and it will be in my mail. Okay, before we do the unboxing, let me tell you some benefits of having business credit card over a personal one. So there are 2 main benefits. Number 1 is business credit card does not affect your personal credit score. So even though at first it checks your personal credit score to approve you, since it's Amex and I already have history with Amex, they did not pull a hard inquiry. So let me quickly show you my hard inquiry in Credit Karma. As you can see, there is no record of Amex ever pulling a hard inquiry for this credit card. By the way, once you get approved for the business credit card, it will stop reporting to your personal credit score. So even if you max this credit card somehow, it will not affect your credit score. But trust me, maxing out a business credit card might be a lot harder than you think. That's where the second benefit comes in. So unlike personal credit cards, you will have much higher credit limits. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. Okay, here we go. Here's the envelope that it came in. Nothing fancy, not like the platinum card. Okay, so here's the card. Not gonna lie, blue is my favorite color and I really love this color scheme. It's so good. See, now you can see it clearly. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, that's pretty much the unboxing. Now, there's nothing else to see here. Now, before we end this video, let me talk about some of the benefits that this card comes with. I know we've been here long enough, but I just wanted to tell you some benefit that this card comes with. One of the main things that I want to mention is, even though this card has 0 annual fees, it comes with pretty good warranties. The first one I wanted to talk about is the extended warranty. So with the extended warranty, it has the ability to extend the manufacturer's original warranty by up to additional 1 year. The second one is the purchase protection. So with the purchase protection, it covers up to 90 days from the purchase date if it's stolen or accidentally damaged. But this covers up to $1,000 per occurrence, up to $50,000. Those were the main ones I wanted to highlight. With all that being said, I don't want to keep you here for long. So thank you for sticking with me until the end. I truly appreciate all of your support, and I will see you soon. Bye.